Hello and welcome. It is my pleasure to talk to you today about the Dematic Pouch solution. As you know, Dematic offers a wide range of different warehouse solutions built from our standard subsystems. We from the Overhead Systems Center of Excellence deliver the pouch subsystem. Pouch systems are used for order sortation and consolidation. For typical warehouse flows, they sit right between our storage systems like the Dematic multi-shuttle and shipping sorters. Here are some impressions of how those systems look like in real life. Being overhead conveying technology, the pouch system saves precious floor space that can be used for different purposes. Pouch systems can be sized easily to the required floor plan. They scale between a few thousand delivered units per hour up to several tens of thousands of units. The answer to the question, what can be handled by a pouch system, is literally everything that fits into a pouch. Pouch systems are used to transport, buffer, and sort those articles with a high level of automation. They are thus perfect to optimize warehouse operations and reduce article touches, for example in returns handling. We built our pouch subsystems from standard building blocks. That is how we achieve custom fit for our customers, still relying on repetitive standards. For now, let's focus on the inbound and outbound modules, our pouch induction and the unloading and packing stations. For these modules, we offer the widest range of variants to fit specific requirements in each case. The level of automation of those different inbound and outbound applications varies. That can be fully lights-off operations with robotics loading and automated unloading. We always utilize the full flexibility of overhead conveyors so that we optimize the floor space and station positioning. We also offer station variants for manual operations. Whenever that is the optimal solution, we have our focus on efficient operations and a maximum level of ergonomics. As I said before, we build our systems from standard building blocks. We offer three main solution lines. The first one is the classical matrix configuration. Matrix sortation outputs a perfect sequence of items, providing a sortation performance that is agnostic of the order profile. Moreover, the matrix configuration comes with a dynamic buffer. That is a fully automated, random access single-piece buffer for items in pouches. This is, for example, the key for efficient returns handling. An alternative to the matrix sortation is our order buffer configuration. In these systems, we basically skip the pre-sortation. This yields a system with smaller footprint, higher responsiveness, and lower order lead times. At the same time, the dynamic buffer is still available to optimize storage strategies. Whenever our analysis of customer requirements shows that not all features of a classical matrix are needed, we would usually propose to go with an order buffer solution. Or often enough to go one step further and use our lean DPS configuration. With lean DPS, we essentially remove all internal buffer from the pouch system. We can do that by the virtue of our Dematic software that forms a strong bond between the pouch system as the sortation engine of the solution and the Dematic multi-shuttle as the storage engine. The lean DPS is thus a highly responsive system with minimum overall lead times for orders. We monitor all of our systems closely. There are, of course, device-based KPIs that allow an early identification of anomalies and a proactive guidance of maintenance teams and activities. Equally important are flow-based KPIs. These KPIs enable us to continuously observe the system behavior and understand how the system reacts when the way it is used changes. This means we can optimize the system utilization and performance during the whole lifetime of the warehouse. I have shown you how we utilize our standard building blocks to create custom-fit solutions for our customers. In case of any questions, please contact our experts and we will be happy to explain and discuss with you. Until then, it remains for me to say thank you for your attention.